This is how to remove the dish from the top of your roof. First thing you want to do is disconnect the cables going to it. In this case, they're right here, so I'm just going to loosen these connections right here. So now I just got a half-inch bit here. Pull this out. The impact right underneath that thing, so those are all going to have to come out as well. Now I come through, I'm going to clean that up and then repair the holes. Got some of this here Blackjack all-weather roof cement. This is what I'm going to use to plug those holes. Now when I clip the end off of this, I just made the hole pretty small. It'll focus for me. That way I could kind of stick it down in the holes and then fill it out. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just take this and kind of smooth it out so I want it totally flat. The glove was just kind of pulling it out of there too, so I'm just going to use this here and mash it down.